Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to unsend an email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So open your Gmail and then tap on the compose option. And what you're going to do here is you have to basically send an email to someone. So you have to enter their email address right here. Also, aside from that, you can add subject and then you can now compose an email right here. So basically, the only way to unsend your email here on Gmail is to just quickly cancel your message. So for example, I'm going to send this one, but I want to send it right away. So I should do it in less than a minute. So if I tap this, I should click the cancel right away. Okay, this is the only way that you can unsend an email in Gmail. So for example, I'm going to tap this one again. Then right away, I should also click or tap the cancel option. And there's no other way to unsend your email here in Gmail, especially if you have sent this for like 2 hours already, 1 hour already, or 30 minutes already. However, you can go to settings, tap on general settings, scroll down here, and you need to turn on this confirm before sending, at least to avoid any mistakes when sending. So for example, if I'm going to send this message and then I just realize that this is not the correct email, so I can just cancel it. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.